Ready to rank at the top in SEO this 2025? It starts with knowing the right keywords, not just using them. Each keyword type plays a unique role in how users discover and engage with your content. Short-tail keywords are broad and competitive, great for volume but hard to rank. Long-tail keywords are specific and easier to rank. They are perfect for targeting buyer intent. LSI keywords help Google understand the context of your content better. Branded keywords include your name. Non-branded keywords help you reach a wider audience. Navigational keywords are used when someone's looking for a specific website or page. Transactional keywords show that the user is ready to buy or take action. Informational keywords are great for attracting users looking for answers or learning something new. Geo-targeted and local keywords help you connect with nearby customers searching for services. Commercial keywords compare products. Seasonal keywords help capture timely search traffic. Evergreen keywords keep driving traffic over time, great for long-term SEO strategy. No matter your niche, understanding keyword types is key to SEO success. Save this video and follow us for more powerful SEO insights.